Yo, what's good? It's your boy Jeffy back with another prank video, you feel me? Y'all completely smashed the like button on my last prank I did on my brother. So I told you after I hit 50 likes, I'm gonna do a prank on my parents. Y'all hit over 60 likes, boy. So if y'all want me to do another prank on my parents, I want this video to hit 70 likes, alright? 70 likes. So here's what we about to do today. Hopefully, because every time I try to do a prank on my parents, my brother always trying to fuck it up for some reason, but I don't know why. But hopefully he don't fuck up my prank this time, but here's what I do. So here's what we about to do. I'm about to take the lawnmower, right? I'm gonna put it up, so the blades are pointing like towards me, and I'm acting like I got cut on my hand by the lawnmower, right? I'm gonna pull it like one time, make a good noise, and I'm gonna be screaming, "Daddy, Dad, Dad!" Yeah, I call my dad, "Dad." Yeah, I should fuck up. I'll be trying to say something. I'm like, "Daddy, Daddy, yo, Daddy!" I'm gonna be screaming and shit. You feel me? And I'm gonna have the camera like somewhere in the corner of the garage, and hopefully he falls for it. I'm gonna have some fake blood too. Hopefully he falls for it. Just hope my brother don't fuck this up. Let's get a good reaction from his ass. Let's get it. Alright, so look, it's been a couple hours since I did that intro y'all just saw right now. Alright, it's been a couple hours. Because after I did that intro, my dad literally left. So I had to wait for him to come back from work. So he just got back from work right now. He's in his room sleep. So I'm gonna go in the laundry room and I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna use a chainsaw and say I'm act like I dropped the chainsaw on my hand. I'm gonna scream and knock his head on it. I'm gonna put fake blood on my hand and shit. It's gonna be lit. Let's get it, man. What's up?
They're right there!
Oh my god. Let me see. Let me see your head. Your hand.
It's just a prank. God, I think I had to prank guy in this bit, yo, you feel me?
y'all the prank guys. Did you believe me? Did you believe me?
No.
Why he lying? He lying. Yo, y'all, hold on. I can't hold it right with my. Hold on, guys. Y'all, look at that, bruh. Look at my hand. Hold on, let me put that.
What is that? What is that?
Blood, nigga.
Did you even say sorry?
The actual thing.
It's fake blood.
You bought that?
Yeah, nigga. Look at my hand, yo. That thing look real as hell. I put it all on the blade. Hey, it's so dark, though. I hope it's not dark when I record and I edit this, man. Boy, you already know the prank guy coming clutch, boy. Ain't nobody safe in this house, boy. I want 80 likes if y'all want me to prank my mama next, boy. Cause y'all smashed the like button on this shit, so I had to prank my dad, you feel me? That nigga came out the room naked, boy. I gotta edit all that shit out. That boy came out the room naked, boy. Let's get it, yo. Yo, boy, y'all already know what time it is, boy. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Don't forget, smash 80 likes, and I'm pranking my mama next. Let's get it.